demonstrated the usefulness of this tractor.
Of course,
That old steam engine.
When the war broke out, World War II,
Oh.
they were scrapped.
300,000.
They were clumsy, they were slow. 99.9% of them went to the scraps.
$300,000 on the bid. Reserve comes off at $300,000. Now the Gas Traction Company, they sold to Emerson.
Gas, that wasn't steam. Excuse me.
Now Emerson Brannington, from what I understand, didn't have a
I
really
knew
good
that when I was
reputation in
looking.
the tractor market, so it kind of tanked the Big Four.
It must be rare. 300,000.
Emerson Brannington by JIK. So the evolution of the gas tractor ended up in the JIK stable.
Okay.
Indirectly.